Hey, it's the Analytics Dude back with one more tip for data scientists to use in PowerPoint. To go alongside my other tips, I present you with the 3 commandments of slide writing. Now keep in mind, this is one of the rare times you'll hear me use the terms always and never, and that's because in this case I think they're warranted. If you keep these rules in mind, I guarantee you'll communicate more effectively with the business side of the house. First, always tell your reader what the conclusion is. Come right out and say what you found, and especially include some of the ramifications. If you leave the conclusion up to your reader, they may not come to the conclusion that you want them to come to. Every second that you spend correcting a misunderstanding is wasted time and lowers your odds of getting an agreement. Second, never make your audience work too hard. This goes along with rule number 1, but there are some other points to note. Your audience won't know if you should have used a one-sided test or a two-sided test, or why it was important that you use a non-parametric one. Your job is to walk them through your results and show them why your work was robust and important without making them expend too much effort on understanding technical details. Third, always be concise. Tell your audience what they need to know, and that's it. But there's also a dichotomy at work here. You can't do that using jargon or tech speak. There's significant risk to your conclusions. You have to state it, but don't use terms like recall or type 3 error or give them a p-value. Use plain English instead. These 3 commandments are a must when presenting to a non-technical audience. If you follow these alongside my other tips like using descriptive slide titles, utilizing the pyramid principle to structure your logic, and creating better graphs, you will be more successful in getting an agreement. Give this a shot and let me know how it works out for you in the comments below. Until next time, I'm the Analytics Dude. Thanks for watching.